51. Who has been awarded the Best Film Award at the IIFA Awards 2025? Right answers. Lapta Ladies. 52. Who has been awarded the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2025? Right answers. Kumar Mangalam Birla. 53. Who has won the World Press Photo of the Year 2025? Right answers. Samar Abu Elof. 54. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Ans. 4. 55. Who has been selected as the Wisden Cricketer of the Year 2025? Right answers. Jasprit Bumrah. 56. Who became the first Indian to receive the highest civilian honor of Mauritius? Right answers. Narendra Modi. 57. Who was awarded Laureus World Sports Women of the Year Award 2025? Right answers. Simone Biles. 58. Who has been awarded the Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2025? Right answers. Ram Sutar. 59. Who has been awarded the Windham Campbell Prize 2025? Right answers. Rana Das Gupta. 60. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Right answers. Chandrika Tandon. 61. Where was the first National Mediation Conference 2025 inaugurated? Right answers. New Delhi. 62. Mount Makalu, that was recently seen in news, lies on the border between which two regions? Right answers. Nepal and Tibet. 63. The Harop drone is developed by which country? Right answers. Israel. 64. With whom has Pitt signed a deal to empower startups, MSMEs, and entrepreneurs? Right answers. Hafele India. 65. Instamal belongs to which class of frigates? Right answers. Trivak 3 class. 66. What is the rank of India in the Human Development Index, HDI, 2025? Ans. 130th. 67. A 9-foot-tall statue of which leader was unveiled in New Delhi on 1st May 2025? Right answers. Bodofa Upendra Nath Brahma. 68. How much is the Indo-US deal signed by India for the Indo-Pacific region worth? Right answers. 131 million US dollars. 69. Who launched India's Green Hydrogen Certification Scheme, GHCI? Right answers. Prahlad Joshi. 70. Who recently released the World Social Report 2025? Right answers. United Nations. 71. Which city will host the BRICS 2025 summit? Right answers. Rio de Janeiro. 72. Who is the new RBI governor whose signature appears on new 20 notes? Right answers. Sanjay Malhotra. 73. In which country was the 17th edition of Lima 2025 held? Right answers. Malaysia. 74. Union Bank of India was fined how much by RBI recently? Right answers. 1.66 lakh. 75. In 2025, what is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index? Right answers. 151. 76. When was the Swamitva scheme launched? Right answers. 24th April 2020. 77. Which country won the 14th Sudirman Cup in 2025? Right answer. China. 78. When will FIFA Women's World Cup expand to 48 teams? Right answer. 2031. 79. What is the theme of National Technology Day 2025? Right answers. Yantra. 80. Who is the current president of the World Bank? Right answers. Ajay Banga. 81. Under the SpaceX mission, which two satellites recently completed their second successful docking? Right answers. SDX-01 Chaser and SDX-02 Target. 82. Who inaugurated the Gorhia and Borsho Boron Utsav 2025? Right answers. Manik Saha. 83. Which state government has launched the Pink e-rickshaw scheme to empower women in April 2025? Right answers. Maharashtra. 84. The Bullseye Galaxy, LEDA 13134424, was recently discovered by using which telescope? Right answers. Hubble Space Telescope. 85. Which organization has released its World Economic Outlook, WEO, a critical juncture among policy shift report in April 2025? Right answers. International Monetary Fund, IMF. 86. Arun 3 hydroelectric project that was recently seen in news is located in which country? Right answer. Nepal. 87. Advanced Light Helicopter, ALH, Dhruv is developed by which organization? Right answers. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. 88. Which state government has launched the Resham Sakhi Yojana to economically empower rural women? Right answers. Uttar Pradesh. 89. Which state is the host of Bharat Summit 2025? Right answers. Telangana. 90. What is the theme of World Malaria Day 2025? Right answers. Malaria ends with us. 91. How many youths are targeted to be trained under AI Pragya initiative? Right answers. 10 lakhs. 92. Which ISRO mission failed due to a third stage anomaly? Right answers. PSLV C61. 93. Max Verstappen represents which team in Formula 1? Right answers. Red Bull. 94. Which department signed an MoU with GREPP for climate tech entrepreneurship? Right answers. DIT. 95. Who represented India at the BRICS Energy Ministers meeting in Brazil in 2025? Right answers. Manohar Lal. 96. What was India's coal import volume in the financial year 2024 to 2025? Right answers. 263.56 million tons. 97. Which country became the first Southeast Asian member of BRICS in 2025? Right answers. Indonesia. 98. Which state was announced to be developed as an organic fish cluster like Sikkim? Right answers. Tripura. 99. In which country was the 17th edition of Lima 2025 held? Right answers. Malaysia. 100. World Hypertension Day 2025 was observed on? Right answers. 17th May.